Dating is tough, and it only gets more difficult as you get older. Where do you meet people? Where do you find the time? And don't you hate bad dates? I mean, can't I just go to work, come home, eat pizza in front of the TV? Today, we're going to take some words of wisdom from Tina Fey to see if she can help us solve this adult dating situation with some examples from 30 Rock.
I love it when you talk dirty to me. I cannot wait to see you tonight.
What are you going to wear?
Tea Museum Gala? Think slutty Grace Kelly.
Oh, God bless you. I'm picturing it right now. And the opposite of that just walked in.
Tell Liz I said hi.
I will.
Happy birthday, Jack. I got you a card.
Hi, I'm Sam, co-founder of Life's Secret Sauce, where we teach motivated professionals how to fast-track their careers and live the life of their dreams using the social skills that they should have learned in school, like making eye contact and reading body language, instead of learning things like the reason artificial banana flavor doesn't actually taste like real bananas is because it's based off of a banana that was completely wiped out in a plague in the 1950s. The Great Banana Plague of the 1950s. Who knew? In this episode, Tina, or Liz Lemon, has decided to try some exciting new singles event at our local YMCA. It starts with singles dodgeball. Now, we definitely encourage going out there and meeting new people, and we always suggest meeting people while doing things you love. I mean, then hopefully you meet people in similar activities, so you already have something to bond over.
You look like a prison weed dealer.
I'm coming back from a singles dodgeball match, okay?
Good God.
The YMCA near my apartment offers a variety of singles activities, and I am forcing myself to go to all of them.
Well, I'm glad you're trying, but I wish you didn't have to. Lemon, are you wearing a cup?
Oh, I forgot. Only guys can get hurt there.
I just wish it were easier for you. You need an Avery. Simple, fun, uncomplicated. As my good friend and fox hunting partner Mary J. Blige would say, no more drama.
Step 1. You've got to go out there and meet new people. Try not to get caught up in the activity if the purpose is to meet someone new. Remember the goal of this being in that situation. If you plan on attending a meeting to meet new friends, then make sure you get out there and mingle. If the plan is to get a date, then make sure you start speaking to someone who you'd like to go on a date with. If you don't say anything to anyone, it makes it really tough to make a great impression.
Hey, how did your dodgeball thing go? Did you meet anyone?
Not really. I mean, there was one okay guy.
What is wrong with you? He was flirting. Did you ever even talk to him?
I yelled at him about a rule violation.
Oh.
His foot was over the line.
How many more of these things are you going to?
Line dancing this afternoon, then tomorrow is the wine and cheese tasting, or as I like to call it, singles fart suppression.
Maybe I should go with you, be your wingman.
Oh, thanks, Jenna, but you don't want to do that.
No, it'll be good acting research for me.
Adult dating can get overly complicated very quickly. It's not all fun and games when you're in search of someone special, and sometimes it feels like life just doesn't run as smoothly as it once did.
Now you're having lunch? Does Avery know about this?
Lemon, the grown-up dating world is like your haircut. Sometimes awkward triangles occur.
I feel like you've been saving that one.
Obviously, this is unexpected. I really didn't think that Nancy would ever get divorced.
Why would a lady get divorced at 50? Stick it out. Men die first, then you have 2 wonderful years, then you die.
Liz is known for being a strong, independent woman. But I do think Jack says some wise words here. When you're in the dating scene, it's important to be confident and positive. Others in your boat don't want to find themselves with someone negative because, let's face it, life is tough enough already, especially dating as an adult. So try and have some fun with it.
Today I'm going to the boat show with Nancy. Tonight is my birthday dinner with Avery. I hate the idea of Nancy having dinner alone at the hotel tonight, so I told her that you wanted to take her out.
No, I have singles wine and cheese tonight.
Then take Nancy with you.
You know what? This whole thing is unfair. You're juggling 2 beautiful women while I have to pay to have kickballs whipped at me. This is gender inequity out the yang.
This has nothing to do with the slight difference in our genders.
Yes, it does. The older you get, the more distinguished you are. Meanwhile, I'm reading a book called Hiding Your Arms, Hiding Your Anger, Dating Over 35.
Lemon, I am successful romantically because I am confident, open, and positive. You are negative, pessimistic, and in danger of becoming permanently sour.
Is this you asking me for a favor?
And sometimes the hardest part about dating as an adult is that you know what you want. And sometimes it just isn't that glamorous. And frankly, it just seems impossible. Tina, Liz, has finally figured out exactly what she wants. And to be honest, a lot of it sounds pretty good. I mean, who doesn't want a man who empties the dishwasher? Am I right?
Come on, Liz. Every man in this room is single. Who do you want to meet? Nobody. I mean, that guy has a beard. Who knows what's under there? Tattoo guy? Too promiscuous. T-shirt tucked into jeans? Oh, that guy looks like he'd just be mean to me. God, Liz, you're so negative. Oh, now you just sound like Jack.
Hey, I'm no relationship expert. The last time I used a birth control device, it was the 70s, and it looked like soap on a rope. But every time you say what you don't want, you sound like a cranky cow, and you're not that. You're smart and you're fun. So stop talking about what you don't want and start figuring out what you do want, and then go get it.
Jerem, look how drunk I am and how full of cheese my mouth is.
That's not that much cheese.
So there you have it, Tina Fey's advice on dating as an adult. Now go out there and meet some people. Actually talk to them, and things just might get a little messy. But most importantly, know what you want and don't be afraid to go for it. If you find yourself struggling to make conversation with new people, or you feel like you might get a little bit of anxiety before starting a conversation, then take a moment to check out our Millennial Magnetism course. The link can be found just below in the description. With this course, we'll teach you how you can be the most charismatic person in the room, and you'll always have something interesting to say. For those of you who like this video, don't forget to click like and take a moment to share it with a friend, perhaps someone in the dating scene. Also, pop on over to our website, lifesecretsauce.com, where you can sign up for our newsletter. That way we can deliver the awesome straight to your inbox. And until next time, ciao for now.